In this video, we will try to predict the next candle. This is the daily chart of Marico stock, and in this video will help you in improving your chart trading skills. So this is going to be very much beneficial, so watch till the end. I have a surprise for you at the end. So if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe us, follow us, share with your friends, and let's start. Hello, I'm Sumit, intraday trader in Bank Nifty options with more than 4 years experience. I earned 12% return for July month after cost. So this is the daily chart of Marico. I will just replay here. Okay, so as we can see here, the chart, the price is moving downwards. Red candles of volumes are also there, so it's not a good place to buy. So we will wait for the buy signal, and I have played the replay button here on TradingView app, and we will see one candle after another to get an idea where we can buy. So I will just replay, see one more candle. Okay, see one more red candle, another red candle, so there is no signal of buy. Now one small green candle is formed. Let's see, but we need a follow-up candle, another green candle with, here the volume has increased, but this candle is very small to take the entry. So we'll wait for follow-up candle. We need another green candle which closes above the high of the previous green candle. So let's see. So another red candle with a big tail. Let's see another red candle. So the trend is still bearish, no bullish sign till now. Let's see. So now see this candle. This candle is a very strong bullish candle. It is an engulfing bar. It engulfed the previous 4 candles, and see the volume is also higher than the previous 8 to 10 candles. So now this is a big bullish signal, but still we cannot buy here. We will see few more candles, 1 or 2 more candles. If we see that they are also green ones, then we can think of buying. So let's see after this. Okay, so follow up candle is formed, strong green candle is formed, and volume is also there. So here we can think of buying. We can buy around this level. Okay, 400 levels. Stop loss can be just below this low, and we can go for first target can be 430. So I know that the stop loss, our risk is big here. For this, to reduce this, what we can do is we can wait for a dip, a small dip, and we can try to enter around this levels, around 396 levels. We can do this thing so that our risk will be reduced and our target will be same. So this can be done. So we'll see. Okay, we can go for this, and let's see whether it comes back to this level to give us entry, or it keeps on moving ahead. So let's see the next candle, how is it formed. So small red candle. So now as we can see, it went around our entry level. So now this candle, as you can see here, again the volume is high, green candle. It broke the high of the previous candle, but could not close there. So here also one can think of entry. Our stop loss can be around 390 levels. If you want to keep our risk small, our stop loss can be around 390, and we can think of buying here at 400 levels, and the first target can be 430 levels. And all this I'm discussing, this is the daily chart, so this will be the swing trade or positional trade. So let's see how it behaves after that. So again it is price is consolidating there, as I told that this went around 395, so that could have been our entry. So now we are entered, and let's see, price is, it can break anytime, it can break out from this level. It looks like it will break out. As we can see, it broke out from this level, and now this is the confirmation that yes, this is buy, and the person who are very conservative can enter here also, and they can put the stop loss around this level, 392 levels, and they can go with the swing or positional trade. So after that, as is expected, it can move ahead upwards. So we'll just keep on playing it. A small, this is again a big red candle, but the volume is not very big, so nothing to worry, we can go with our trade. So as we can see, the price, the volume is increasing, price is increasing, as price is playing steadily, slowly and steadily it is moving up. So here one big red candle, but the volume is still not so big, so it made a pullback around this level. As you can see, the volume further increased. I will just pause here. As you can see, this candle, this one, this is a doji with a very this candle, volume candle, doji, volume suddenly increased. This shows that, and after that, see what happens, a big breakout. So volume is also needed. We have to keep a track on volume also along with price. If the volume increases, then something is there big which can happen. So we'll just keep on playing it. It kept on moving up, few red candles, and it kept on moving up. So this was the chart for today. We keep on posting this type of videos on price action reading, candlestick reading, and how we can predict the next candle. So this was about the video, and as I said in the beginning, I will share a secret with you. The secret is the holy grail of trading. There is only one holy grail, which is cut losses and run profits. If you are making loss, keep it small, and if you are making profit, try to make it big. This is the only holy grail. There is no other holy grail in trading. If you follow this, you will survive and make good amount of money from trading or investing. So always risk less than 1% capital in any given trade. I share intraday stocks daily on my Telegram channel, along with exact levels of entry, stop loss, and target. Link is in the description. You can join it, and details of 1 year mentorship program is also in the description, where I teach price action reading, chart reading, technical analysis, and how to become a profitable trader. Price is just ₹999. Any doubts, you can WhatsApp on 7666 479 384. The number is also in the description. And thank you for watching. Learn trading and earn from trading. If you like this video, follow us, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.